CSN News. We are your anchors, Caley, Kathy.
And I'm Reagan Leach. Today we will be discussing, as always, classification. After all, this is the classification news.
So tell me, Reagan, what is binomial nomenclature?
Well, Caley, binomial nomenclature was created by Carlos Linnaeus to classify organisms so scientists can recognize each organism by one name and to identify evolutionary patterns between organisms.
Very nicely said, Reagan.
Why, thank you, Caley. I do have a degree now. Now tell me, Caley, how do you classify an organism?
Well, Reagan, you classify an organism by its genus and species. When typed, it has to be in italics, while the genus is capitalized and the species is not. When written, it has to be underlined, while the genus is still capitalized and the species is not.
Wow, Caley, I did not know that.
Didn't you say you had a degree? Anyways, could you list the order of classification from the broadest taxa to the smallest taxa?
Sure, Caley. It goes domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species.
Nice job, Reagan.
Thank you, Caley. Would you list the domains for me?
Why, of course, Reagan. The three domains are bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Could you tell the viewers the kingdoms that are in these domains?
Why, of course, Caley. The kingdom in archaea is archaeobacteria. The kingdom in bacteria is eubacteria. And lastly, the kingdoms in eukarya are fungi, protista, plantae, and animalia.
Speaking of animalia, we have reporter Susan Robbins with a breaking news story. Let's hear it, Susan.
It is currently 28 degrees Fahrenheit here in New York, and it is pouring rain. Here I have with me a mother rabbit. She's a kingdom Animalia because she's motile, multicellular, and her cells are eukaryotic with no cell wall. And she's an ingestive heterotroph. Wow, Susan. Hope she doesn't just scratch you. Oh, trust me, ladies, she's a feisty one. I've got the scars to prove it.
Thank you, Susan, for this breaking news report. Stay warm, Susan.
We have another breaking news report from Barbara Bright. Over to you, Barbara.
Hello, I'm coming at you live from Las Vegas, Nevada. It is hailing and snowing cats and dogs. Like the kingdom Animalia. I think a blizzard is stirring up. Here I found something buried beneath the snow. I was wondering whether it was a fungus-like protist or whether it was an actual fungus.
Well, Barbara, does it have a cell wall?
Why, yes it does. In fact, the cell wall is made of chitin. Well, that indicates it must be a fungus. You are so right, Caley and Reagan. It is also an absorptive heterotroph and non-motile, which also indicates it's a fungus. Thank you for helping me decide. Back to you, Caley and Reagan.
Anytime, Barbara. Stay dry and don't get frostbite over there in Vegas.
Well, Reagan, I think that's a wrap for CSN News for today.
Tune in tomorrow for more classification news.
Well, this has been Caley, Kathy,
and Reagan Leach with your classification news.
Keep it classy.
Get it? Like classification.
Some skin clouds are shrouding us.
Browser, come here. He's scared. Why are you running away?